Right, so here we go. We're looking for price to enter our gaps. Speed is about to make a new gap here. 437. I'm gonna take smaller price maybe if it wants the momentum to keep going. This one we got a gap right into 17. Hold down to 1713. We can maybe take that 60 14. Yeah, that was good.
GITS.
I don't want to take it too close to the hold level.
VIVS. NGD. AGL. EXK. HYMC. LRHC.
Yeah, you gotta size down on this because it's low volume and it can move. All right, here we go. We got a gap 25 to
ANL.
25 to 11.
SLJY.
Still, this is such a beautiful dip on the gap, huh?
GITS. TWN.
25 to 11. 405 is the full down. I gotta be careful.
PMN. LRHC. PCG. UNP. BNAI.
Volume is light. Volume is so light. We'll see. We got a quick target right there, $5. So it's not too far out.
HYMC. PCG. ATUP.
Nothing yet.
HCHL.
Stuff has low volume. Okay, this one's coming down.
CISS. FATBB. RKLS.
The next gap is going to be 416.15.
TWNP.
Okay, now this gap here is forming. We got 448 right there.
FAT. CRMX.
We can hold 450
ALXO.
for the gap to be formed. There it is, 450.
ATUP.
PCG. FAED.
RDW. CISS. FATB.
Nope, not yet.
DL. SATL.
Back over 50.
TWNP. TCGL.
KXIN may resume in less than a minute.
ONDG.
USAN may resume in less than a minute. FEAM.
AAOI. FEED. RKLX. FAT. ALXO.
TWNP. FAT.
PCG. VELO. LITX.
PCG.
SMUP. NUALA. FATBB. NAMM. TWNP.
NNAR may resume in less than a minute. JTWB may resume in less than a minute.
TWNP. Okay.
TCGL. RPGL. PKSY. USGG. USAX. AAOI.
PCG halted to the upside.
ALXO.
TCGL halted.
PCG.
KXIN may rise in 10 seconds.
So dip under
CCLM may rise in
76.
10 seconds.
TWNP.
RPGL.
RPGL.
That's the dip. That's the dip. That's the dip. That's the dip. Shoot.
PCG.
NGNTS may resume in less than a minute.
GNTS.
FAT. AMDL.
I was just late by a microsecond.
RPGL.
Yeah, 75.
NNAR may rise in 10 seconds.
76. Oof. Let's see, 72. Okay, below that is 72. TWNP looking good. Looking relatively good here.
AMDL.
Let's give it a try. Beneath this bounce here. Nice.
RPGL. NAMM.
Gonna take it right over 80.
CRMX.
Back to 76.
RPGL. HYMC.
FLYT.
ST.
First trade.
FAT.
75.
GOAI may resume in less than a minute.
GIT. GITS.
Could go a little lower still. Friend this gap. Stop is gonna be 72. It's gonna be a pretty hard stop there, 72.
CRMX.
It's bouncing off 75. All right, 78. Let's go.
AGQ.
I'll respect my stop. It's just struggling here, 79.
FLYT.
I'll take half right there. Oh, okay. Never mind.
CRMX.
If it wants to go lower in my ad,
SPEX.
73.
GOA
CRMS.
Bounce to 72.
LRHC.
FATBB AST less than a minute. FAT.
SPHL.
So it's
FAT.
so it's pretty volatile here.
FATBP.
MRA.
My ad at 72.
ANL.
STEX. FATBP.
And keep it tight, or 73 and keep it tight. See how well this responds at 73.
FAT. GITS.
LRHC.
Wow,
FAT.
crazy. Okay. So we did bounce very nicely there.
VIVS.
FATBB may res in 10 seconds.
GITS.
Okay, cool. I didn't need to add,
ANL.
or I thought I didn't want to add because I saw 71. So if I had to see, if I was going to see 70,
TWNP.
yeah, that would have been it for me. I wanted to see a better hold, but let's see how well this is going to hold here.
GITS.
73 again. 72.
BNA.
71. Yeah, I might get out of here. So bouncing again. Might start unwinding here.
MGLT.
Winding out for a loss.
AOI. PCG may resume in less than a minute. BMN may res in 10
Back to
seconds.
74 though.
FATBB halted to the upside.
LRHC.
Back to 74.
CRMX.
VIVS. BNA.
Back to 70. Okay, here we go.
FAT. GITS.
I'm gonna start unwinding here for a small loss, keeping the loss tight.
TXIN may resume in less than a minute.
TWNP.
Okay. So trying to manage this trade a little better.
TCGL may res in 10 seconds.
I wish I'd held. I mean, I wish it held 73, 72 better so I can add,
PCG may res in 10
but it
seconds.
went below it. So I'm unwinding some here because I don't know what's gonna do now.
FAT. GITS.
So unwinded half right there
HYMC.
at 74.9, 74.69, almost 5.
TWNP. BNA. LRHC.
So okay, here we go. Yeah, it's gonna come down.
RKLX.
Not gonna come down.
KXIN may res in 10 seconds. GSIT.
Wow, okay.
FATBP.
All right, I'll take that.
AOI.
I will take that.
HYNC.
I will take that.
LITX.
I will happily take those.
TMN. TWNP.
Right, so we bounce off this gap. We're inside this gap and we're bouncing, but no, it's rejected again.
FEDT.
We gotta give it time. We gotta give it some room. So I'm only 500 shares in, so it's not a big deal
STUX.
on this penny stock. Otherwise, we got lots of support down here.
VIVS.
Target on this
LITX.
is going to be probably the highest $1.
FATBP.
AXTI.
Daily, does the daily have a better target? $1 maybe.
TMN.
Yeah, $1 it is.
FEDT.
LITV.
Nice. Okay. So we're in there.
AOI. COH.
Bang, nice. So we're gonna get in there with
TWNP.
some nice.
AXTI.
There it is. It's around winding up here.
FEDT.
So
TE.
I want to be able to catch a good upcoming trade. Yeah, I'm gonna get out. So
HYMC.
I'm gonna get out on that bad,
STUX.
on that rejection there.
AOI. COHR.
So we'll see what it wants to do. It's rejecting pretty, it's top heavy. It was pretty top heavy here. It looked like it's short for wanting to go down, push it down.
ASTI.
Managed to get a push here,
RGT.
scaled out. Still pretty volatile. We'll see.
EWNP.
Honestly, we have a 5 minute, which could be even much stronger. Right here, we have a 5 minute right there. So let's take that instead. It might respond better to a 5 minute.
GITS may resume in less than a minute.
FAT.
HYMC. ASTX.
What else do we got? So looking for it under 7. This is 71. So under 70 could be a sweet dip.
FATVB may resume in less than a minute.
RPGL.
VWAP is 66.
SLGB.
So this is a wide gap, 71 to 65. Yeah, I could take that.
HYMC.
So under 70 could be an interesting
GITS may
dip.
rise in 10 seconds. LITE. TCGL halted. STEX. USAR.
Give me a massive drop under 70.
RPGL. ORKT.
Yeah, I'm gonna start dropping half off here. Even at
TCGL may rise
86.
in 10 seconds.
FAT.
AML may resume in less than a minute.
Nice.
HYMC. LITE.
It needs to bounce, brother.
FATBD.
Needs to bounce because this gap is big. Barely getting any money on that.
CRMX. GSIT.
ORKT. GITS.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of this bounce. So
PCG may resume in less than a minute.
took 1,000 out for a loss. So I lost money on this actually.
FATBD.
I lost money on this. So let's see if we can try it again a little lower. 65.
STEX. AML may rise in 10 seconds.
Still looks pretty strong.
FATBD.
Yeah, let's try 65. 666 our entry. Yeah, brother.
ASTI.
65 is our stop. We're at the lows of the gap, so 65 will be our stop.
HYMC. EAPL.
Bounce here. Bounce here. Bounce.
PCG
I've
may
seen a
rise
lot
in
of
10
green
seconds.
though.
KXIM may rise in 10 seconds.
Nice.
GITS.
Come on.
NAMM.
67.
MGLD.
EAPL.
BATL.
ASTI.
FATBD. EMM.
NAMM. HYMC.
You need to bounce now. Yeah, I'm out. So
PE.
that level 2 tells me exactly
GITS. NAMM.
what is happening. So I get out right there. 60. It needs to happen right away. So I gave it enough time. Definitely don't want to be holding that.
AML halted.
Okay, well back to flat on it.
BATL.
Tried it here. Tried this 5 minute fair value gap, but no, it's not gonna do it.
HYMC.
PCG.
What else? What do we got?
DXC. USAR. PUU halted to the upside.
NAMM.
NAMM.
ALDISA.
This one gave a nice day 418, 417, so it didn't do it here. Back to 50s.
PCG.
We'll see. We'll see what else we got.
LHAI. GCL.
All right, let's see. So we're gonna take a dip down here.
ORKT may resume in less than a minute.
I need to see it under 92, and I'm gonna take a dip. Hopefully I get it 75 so I can get a nice risk to reward here.
FAT.
But I need to see it under 92. 620. So it's opening up here, looking for that big flush. Open, profit taking, and then we're gonna reclaim. Let's go. So looking for 592, under 592, stop 563.
LGHL.
KXIN may resume in less than a
All right,
minute.
I'll take that.
TWNP.
Oh,
IRPC.
okay. That was pretty scary there. Pretty scary there.
10 seconds.
GITS.
That was pretty scary, I must say. In a 90, came back down. Wow.
RPGL halted down.
But
GITS.
look at this.
AXTI.
Jeez.
TWNP.
That volatility got me there.
FATBV halted down.
Because it held 80. It came down to the hold. It bounced. It held.
LRE.
Came back down again. Bro.
RGTZ.
Oh, that's funny. So
TCGL halted down.
I kind of got what I wanted,
Resume
but
in less than a minute.
TWNP.
I didn't expect that little extra volatility there at the bottom. So let's see if we can get in there again.
GITS.
63 is a hold. Also, hold was pretty tight down there, right? Let's see.
BTAIW.
EMN.
So target is going to be 7 on this.
FEED. TWNP.
AMDL.
LHAL.
Volume is not the biggest.
EVLV. EUUU may res in 10 seconds.
GITS.
Okay, feed also going.
IONC.
What the heck is this?
OCG. LHAL.
There you go.
EVLV. CORD. OCG. AMDL.
GITS. FEED.
IONC. QBTZ. ROBN.
OCG. GCTS. LGHL.
Again, it's doing it again. Is this time going to hold?
LHAL.
TZ.
63. I'm seeing a lot of green though, but red volume is weak. Red volume is weak here. So we could see this next candle.
FEED. BZAIW.
Try it again. Attempt one more time at 70s. See how well you hold.
LHAL.
QBTZ. RGTZ may resume in less than a minute.
GITS.
One more time, one more time. It held pretty well, and surprisingly well, actually.
EURR.
Sheesh, that held really well. Feed is going.
LHAL.
RGTZ.
GITS.
Wow, that's crazy. Crazy dip into this.
RPGL may resume in less than a minute. TCGL may res in 10 seconds. QBTZ.
LHAL.
LZ. RGTZ.
GITS.
LABD. TZA. IREZ. KXIN may resume in less than QBTZ. BMNZ. RPGL may res in 10 seconds. RKLZ.
Dang. People are buying this. DKLM.
DXC. FATBB may res in 10 seconds. IREZ. QBTZ.
DISS.
Okay, if this reclaims 63 one more time, it's proving that it's going to be strong. So I'm going to take this small size. Reclaim 63.
CORD.
I guess not. That was the best trade, which I took, and it almost got freaking annihilated on it.
RPGL.
This one was another one which I was trying to hold down, but held surprisingly well.
QBTZ.
Now it's actually folding down.
TWNP.
OCG.
Now it's VIVS's turn. Let's see.
BCL.
Oh, that's good. All right, VIVS. Can we get some momentum here? Gap and go on. If it can hold 304.
AXTI. GLL.
TWNP.
Taking good size here.
LHAI.
Getting a little dip here.
ANL.
RKLZ. IONKXIN may res in 10 seconds.
LPW.
ELPW.
CC.
FATBB halted down.
Looks pretty good. 313 look pretty good.
OCG.
It keeps kind of.
VIVS. EUEU may resume in less than a minute.
TWNP.
Let me get it under 310.
AXTI.
LHAI.
Oof, the low that was
ANL.
312.
LPW.
Oh, it's gonna come down. 12 to 14. If this next 1 minute gets into my gap, I will do it. Looks like it might get into my gap.
GITS may resume in less than a minute. AXTI.
VIVS.
Next 1 minute, come on.
VIVS.
Dip under 312.
ELPW.
EUEU may res in 10 seconds.
FBDT.
Dip under 312.
CNTX.
RPGL.
No dip. Fair enough, no dip. Gap was looking very good for a quick dip.
VIVS. GITS may res in 10
Oh, it
seconds.
can still do it. Back down.
LRHC.
Having trouble. In the high of 26, having trouble. VWAP now. VWAP is 28. It could still come down to 312.
AAPU.
Being patient on it.
LRHC.
Come on. $3.12, $3.10, yeah, about 10 cents, 10 cents risk on this to get a good move through the VWAP.
FED. LRHC.
18 is bouncing well. Feed, it's just been so difficult to get a good grip on feed here. Maybe this gap and go was nice, but I was watching this one.
TSL down.
Okay, here we go. Let's see how old you want to hold. 12. Under 12.
FED. LRHC.
FLNC.
4. Okay. Hold $3. Hold $3. Hold $3.
ETZ.
Let's go. Feed making a massive move.
FED.
Hold $3 now. Stop is going to be 3. This is important here. Hold $3.
FLNC.
Bounce over 3. Yes, bounce over 3. Nice.
FATBB.
Might start unwinding a little bit here since it's not looking too good. Not looking too good on me. Unwinding for a little loss there.
ORKT. TCGL halted. ELPW may resume in less than a minute.
Okay, cool. All right. So let's see if I can get back in there. So the key here is to play around the gaps because they're not going to respect it so perfectly.
KXIN may res in 10 seconds.
Bouncing here of 3. So there are some buyers at 3.
FED.
ELPW may res in 10 seconds.
There are some buyers at 3. The low of the previous is 98. So that might be a good area to stop out. We'll see.
LHA.
Unwinded, basically most of it.
RKLZ.
ELPW. RPGL. FED.
All right, let's see.
GITS
Okay,
may
cool.
resume
So I
in
was
less than
expecting momentum to kick in a little earlier, but this is good too.
VIVS.
So
ELPW halted to the upside.
nice.
EUUU may res in 10 seconds.
RVMDW. ELPW.
So now I'm holding 200 shares only, sadly, through this move.
LNKS.
ELPW.
BUUU. VIVS.
EUUU.
OCG. TWNP.
Let's see what we get. High of this is going to be 26. So realistically, right over 20, I'll start taking some off.
Halted to the upside.
ELPW.
That feed is just freaking going, man.
FED.
ELPW.
BUUU.
Here we go. Maybe we can get the breakout here.
EUUU.
OCG.
Push through.
FED.
I'll take half right there. 20 cents.
ELPW.
No, I mean, I'm just taking half. It just sucks I just have small size and the way it played out. But At least we're gonna be green on this. I'll take the rest almost flat. Let's see. Back down.
OCG.
See how well it wants to hold. It needs to hold the low. This is 308. So the gap got disrespected there, but
GITS halted down. RKLZ.
LHAL.
I think there was a slight moment to get back in right at 306, 307, I think,
OCG.
on this push.
LNKS.
But I just didn't want to take that risk. So hopefully we're gonna hold 312.
LNKS. RKLZ. TCGL.
Not breaking VWAP yet. It might need some more time. We have lots of, actually, this was a little tough, right? The main area of resistance that I see is going to be right up here. And then there are some other areas right here. Let's see if I can get it in there. Right here.
LRHC.
So that's a quick area right there where I want to take it. So that's going to be 34.
FED.
FATBV.
Give me 34.
VIVS.
Keep pushing back over.
TCGL may res in 10 seconds. RKLZ.
34 one more time. Nice. And then last bit, come on through 30.
VIVS. EMN may res in 10 seconds.
34 is that high, so barely tapping that. There it is. I'll take it off right there, 34. So we form a new gap. Oof. We form a beautiful gap here. We'll see how well this gap wants to hold. So needs to hold 20. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Good trade. I mean, I took most of it out right down here, but good trade nonetheless.
FED.
Let's see.
FED.
LRHC.
BUUU may resume in less than a minute. ELPW may res in 10 seconds.
And down here.
FATBB.
So the low being of this is 25. Quick dip under 25. I could get another gap, but too much selling on that candle. Let's see how well we can get this. Nah, too much selling on that. Yeah, too much selling.
FATBB.
BUUU may res in 10 seconds.
MSGY.
GITS may resume in less than a minute.
9 up 22.
FATBB. ANL.
He bought where I sold. He really bought where I sold. That's crazy. Wow. We both see different things here, I guess.
FED. MSGY.
That was 009, right?
FATBB.
Which is here.
FED. GITS may res in 10 seconds. IREC.
EMN. FEED. MSGY. FATBB. LITX.
FEED. MSGY.
EMN. FEED. FATBB. MSGY.
So we have a move here
RLA.
under 52.
EMN. FEED.
Dang. Then we're gonna get another move 66.
MSGY.
We'll see. Feed, man.
Yeah,
Feed's been trending higher, but with what kind of price action? Maybe this dip was good. The only good dip I could have found, I guess. Now looking for another one here. Come on. Under 52.
FED may resume in less than a minute.
52 to 38.
FEED.
Can I get a flash dip? Nah, not a chance, bro. Not a chance. So we got a 69 that low.
RPGL.
XIN may res in 10 seconds.
Dude, okay.
RPGL.
You're joking. Oh, I'll take small size here.
BMNZ.
Look away for a second, bro.
LHAL.
I look away for a freaking second, but still, let's see.
FATBB. RPGL.
ELPW may res in 10 seconds.
TWNP.
Auto buyers under 50.
LHAL.
Red candle, red gap formed.
FATBB. ELPW.
38 is a stop.
RPGL.
ELPW.
Yeah, 36, 33.
TBB halted to the upside.
Right into this gap,
ELPW
liquidity
halted to the
area.
upside. BUUU may
Back
resume
into
in
the
less
gap
than a minute.
again. Over 38.
TWNP.
That might be the backside, honestly. I don't know if I want to trade it. We'll give it a shot. We'll give it a quick little shot here.
FATBB. ELPW. LHAL. RPGL.
We'll give it a quick little shot here. Stop 38. We'll see what this next candle wants to do. If it wants to get back over 50. Maybe not. Maybe I'm getting too
TWNP.
aggressive here. Yeah, 38 stop, right? So this is going to stop me out.
BUUU may res in 10 seconds.
No,
ELPW. LHAL.
backside. Lower quality, honestly.
BMNZ.
Lower quality setup.
RAY. LNKS.
TSLL. TSLT.
But it's back on that area again.
GITS may res in 10 seconds. BUUU halted down.
Dude, what the heck? Struggling though. All right. Well, we'll see what he wants to do next.
TSLG.
Take my first trade on feed in the backside.
SLL.
This good. This what is this? 1009? Was I trading something else? 1009? Yeah, I was trading something else. Shoot. Okay, looking for a dip here at 80s area. I think there's going to be liquidity down there. We'll see.
OCG.
80s. Ooh. Dip under 90.
CG.
90 buyers, bro. They don't want to give me 80s. Did not want to give me 80s. Hold on, it's 451. So
RPGL.
lots of buyers at 90. No, I think. Well, the top of the gap was 94, I guess. So sort of there. Oh, did it go there? Let me see. Buyers at 90. I'll take that 80. Stop is gonna be 80 on this. Bounce, 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 baby bounce. There you go. In at 84. So we're gonna do 50 shares out around here. I wanted to get 98 out, but I got 90 out. So we got, come on, green. I need green here. Green, green. I need green here. Yeah, I'm gonna get out there. I needed to see green right there, fast. We're at the lows here, so sellers are pretty strong. We had a high right there of 507. Wanted to get out something up there, but didn't get anything else. So good read on it. So you got to see green right away. You know, have to see green right away because you're buying at certain lows. If you see green, then you start seeing support, and that gives you confidence to keep holding when it retests. Like, okay, we saw green, might come back around. So could have gone out 5 for a good win there. That was 507. Wanted to hold it a little longer, get out for some more profit, but basically 10 cents, a little less than 10 cents.
VIVS.
So we'll see this.
ORKT.
Gap 317.
OCG. LPW.
ORKT.
A gap and go here.
LPW halted down.
VNAR. FATBB.
Let's do it. I'm gonna do it here. So 17 is gonna be the stop. And I need to see this volume coming through here. Come on, dude. I need to see it now. Next candle. Next candle now. Now. I wanted to see it quick. It could still go though. I said stop 317, but yeah, nah. My intuition told me it didn't happen right away. We're in this red gap. If you want to break it and make a move to 337, kind of had to happen right away. With the way this volume is increasing. Oh well. So we're looking at ORKT, and it formed a gap. Didn't retested it. It just went. I wish it could have gone in here. Then go for that move. It doesn't happen all the time, so I have to be ready for those trades as well. Let's see now. Nice move through here. Can it keep going? We kind of have a target at 192. Target 192. Where can I position myself for a good trade is the question. 72. If we start to form a gap here, we could get it. We could get a trip to. We could get a trip. Yeah, I guess it'll be a trip. Let's see. 166 here. Let's see. Nice. 166 here. Dip. Dip under 70. Hold 60. Nelson hold 66. Doesn't hold 66, but the candle's still alive. I'm waiting for a gap. There it is, a gap to be formed. 66 is that gap. Can this gap be formed and hold? 66 just got hit. I hold. I mean, it's not my setup. It's not my setup. I'm pushing something that's not my setup. The gap closed, so I don't. I doubt it. You know, I doubt it. So 77 there. Needs to give me a different look. It's kind of like feed, what we saw in feed. It's just grindy. Getting on green on the tape. It's just not the best. Here, I had to go in here for me to take it. So, gotta take my setups, you know. As much as I want to scalp it, that's not the trading I want to do. And now we have a 5-minute gap. Now VIVS also has a gap. Oh. Wait, did it just go in there? Low, this is 50. Oh, dude, come on. Come on. Ah, dang it. Dang it. Looking at this other one, I missed this one. Please give me another entry. Right under 50, 45 being the stop. Come on, you can do it. There it is. 45 stop, come on. Quick little one right under 50. There's a buyer. There's a huge buyer right there that popped up. 53, I think. Shoot. Dang it. So close, huh? So close. It's got a good range, 51 to 63, 10-cent range, 1-cent spread. We can make some good money here. We could take a good play. 5-minute, big 5-minute red candle though. All right, we'll stay patient. All right, let's see. High this is going to be 60, so we gotta hold 60. You have that red gap. You have to hold 60. Get above, close around 62. That would be ideal. Nah, choppy still. Choppy still. Wow, okay, cool. So now we got this good move here. 62 is that high. Now we want to see this. I'll take that. 68. Let's go. This needs to be quick. 62. Don't reject. I don't want it to reject here. 67, 68. We got that strong move here. I'm going to start winding down because it's not. It doesn't want to go just yet. It doesn't break 62. We're good. 62 there, 66, and 68. That's the problem. A little high. Didn't retest 70. Come on. Nice, let's go. So now I'm in there with 200 more shares.
RPGL.
No. So not liking it. The gap and go. I was kind of early on the gap and go too. Let's see. Let's wait for a better move. Let's wait for a better move.
ORKT. GITS.
I mean, this was the spot, right? Right here. Totally missed that. And I was looking at this other stock and missed the entry there. We'll see. Is this finally a good move here? Could be. 64 could be the spot where we may see a gap. So we'll see here. 1K size. Used to hold 64. That's 1 cent gap. No, not yet. Not yet. All right, we love this area here. We can take 200 shares down in this area. See where we can take us. Ooh, I think we're below the gap. What's the gap? 45. I'm in there at 40. Yeah, basically 45. Needs to hold. Needs to hold. Previous low is 43. Yeah, needs to hold here. Yeah, I'm out. Okay. So try to go there with really tiny size, looking for the bounce on this 5-minute gap, but it completely disrespected it. Quick trade there, small size. Can I get an entry here right under 307? Right under 307. Let's see. It's 11:30, so momentum could be picking up. Come on, give in there. 307, 304. If it holds 3, that would be amazing. Let's see. Things been holding up decently well. There you go. There you go. 307, 306.
RPGL.
ELPW may resume in less than a minute. Inhale 0.
GITS.
CORT. ALT.
Ooh, flash 306.
LAG may resume in less than a minute.
GITS.
10 seconds left. We'll see. The next candle wants to go. Might give another dip before we head down there. Or before we head up there. 307. 306. Come on.
GITS. APR.
AG may rise in 10 seconds. TCGL halted.
Doesn't want to come down. Here we go. Some selling. Come on. Nothing.
RPGL. ORKT. APR.
Nothing yet. 309.
LAG halted.
These are slower moves, but potentially moves that we can hold for some time. We like this. We like this stair stepping gaps.
ALT.
GITS. APR.
APR.
Yeah. Difficult area, huh? Tricky area there. Do you wait? Do you take it?
LRH.
Definitely don't want to take it. 10, 11. There we go. Come on.
APR.
Give a nice little dip.
RPGL. SOR. STEX. LRHC.
APR.
TGHL. APR. GITS. SOR.
ALT.
LRHC. PGHL.
CSL. DUST. GDXD.
Let's see this. Still watching it. Watching it kind of closely. I want to see how it reacts right under 7.
GITS.
Or it can give a dip all the way down here to 98, 94. That would be sweet too. Off 6. Red. Nothing yet.
DUST.
APR.
98 could also be good.
RHC.
All right, I'm in there. 7.5. Stop is going to be 4.
GDXD.
YCPD.
This guy, bro, you're gonna stop me out.
GITS.
UHUB may result 10 seconds.
APRD.
Might not be ready yet. It might not be ready yet, but we're gonna follow our stop, $4. We're in this gap.
LRHC.
It'll come to 3. It could go to 98 as well. Went a little high. Just a little bit high.
APRD. LPW. YCPD.
All right, let's freaking go, bro. Nice. Don't reject. Don't be annoying. Don't be annoying and reject. It's time. It's time.
APRD.
Give me the trade of the day. Come on. 12,
LPW.
13. Good. Let's form a gap here. 8. Could we test 9? Don't get to 8 though. So here we go. 15. VWAP is 20, so I'll start taking some at 20.
APRD.
Ah, don't do that, bro. Don't give me that 1 minute candle. Yeah, don't give me that 1 minute candle, man. Dang it. 200 shares here.
APRD.
Not a good 1 minute candle. But are you gonna actually go? A lot of red volume in that candle. I got the rest flat.
APRD. QH. APRD.
308. We knew it was gonna retest 308. Let's go. Come on.
QH. SORM.
If we come back to 08, I might take it. Yeah, I'm taking it out. Yeah. What a move, bro. All right. Retest. You know what you need to do? You need to retest 98, 94. There it is. Come on, 98 to 94. That's what you need to retest. Come on. It's a 5 minute gap. We can do it. 200 only down here. Fuck it, 600. It's only 4 cents. It's forming a gap.
FATBD.
APRD. GDSD.
APRD.
ERPW may resume in less than a minute.
TGHL. FATB.
VHB may res in 10 seconds. MSTU.
Sheesh.
APRD.
Yeah, that's too wild. There's another gap though. Down here, 80, what is it? 88 to 88 to 83.
ERAG may resume in less than a minute.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think so.
FATB.
I don't think so.
May res in 10 seconds.
Is this going to be a decent trade? RPGL
SBP.
could be a good move. 51 to 56.
APRD.
Kind of high. It entered right at 56.
ASBP.
UVXY.
1 minute looks interesting.
UXS.
51 is a stop, so
TZO.
I would have wanted to see a little lower, like 54, maybe 53. Potentially give a better move. What's the float?
UVIX.
6 mil.
UXY.
Here we go. I did see 54,
PYD.
54 by 55.
G5R. UVXY. Potato L.
I'll take a small 56 entry. 51 is going to be my stop.
GDSD. UVIX.
ORKT.
Small there, small size.
VISY. INZ.
I would typically take 1,000 shares, but it's a Friday. Small size Friday, I believe. Momentum is low.
GIL. UST.
ORKT.
UVIX. EYSW may resume in less than a minute.
APRD.
Okay, well,
FCRS. WS.
I traded, I think, way too many tickers. I think I'm just gonna get out here. Yeah, not really feeling it. Oh, it's gonna go there. Well, I think I'm just gonna be done. It's just kind of slow. It's Friday. It's noon. Time to get out of here. I don't have patience to wait for any of these. All right, cool. Let's get out of here. All right, we're gonna end the month here up 800 bucks after fees and commissions. 800 bucks. Good day today to finish the week, to finish the month. Slow day. Got some trades in. Let's look. I traded a lot of different stocks. I mean, everything gave me different moves, different looks. Best trade was this one, VIVS, which I got out most of it down here, thinking, okay, is it gonna hold? Is it gonna reclaim? But it went below the gap, right? The gap was 304. I'm in there at 304. Goes under it. Not sure if it's gonna hold, so I'm unwinding some of it out. But we get a nice move. There was no chance. Maybe there was a chance for me to add on the reclaim. Right at 307, 308, perhaps. Anyway, GITS, one trade. yeah, dip and a rip, right? So you gotta look at this dip and a rip. It was pretty it's pretty crazy, pretty crazy. ORKT, we got a uh nice trade here, gap and go early on the gap and go, right? We took out some of it out, unwinding some out. We saw it come down, we held, and then we just kind of just took it off over here. It disrespected the gap, so I didn't like it too much. RPGL, we took a trade just recently, I think. Yeah, gap right here. And yeah, gap right there. This is my last trade of the day. Honestly, I had no patience for to keep holding this. It, yeah, it's not the day. It's not the day. It's also kind of like a weird stock, low volume. TNWP, good trading on this. I got some out right here, some out right here, unwind it down here as well. So this was a good winner, right? I was hoping this to continue. It came down, I kept holding, unwinded some of it sort of flat, and then the rest I unwinded everything right there. All right, let's keep going. So yeah, feed. We tried our first trade on the backside after we missed we missed this one looking at something else. A nice entry right here on this gap, which would have been sweet to graph because it's just an immediate resolution, just beautiful. Look at that, beautiful all the way up. Probably would have taken it out right here. Could have held 200, I think. Break even. Boom. Taking some more out right there, probably, and then like 100, break even, and then it just goes. Beautiful. Okay. That would have been the plan. Anyway, that's what we did today. Oh, we took another one right here. Quick little trade, 84. We had to see it. I had to see the green right away. Took it out 90. I tried to get it out above 5. Couldn't get it. It's too slow on my thinkorswim. Messing around with these buttons, kind of too slow. So, and then I had to see the volume. If the volume didn't come in, I'm out. Volume did not come in. Shorts are very eager to get this thing lower, so out right there, flat for a small win. So, yeah, basically flat on this stock. So we finished the month here, $800. We changed our strategy on the 12th. Actually, no, we changed it on the 9th. Took a red day. This whole week was amazing with our new strategy. Beautiful day as well. Changed it up a little bit these 3 days. I added more gap and goes, and I was more aggressive on the gap and goes, and I realized, no, that's not it. Then I went off the rails here on the 22nd. Not great, not great. Then we managed to keep going. Gap and goes are still here. Then we started using the ladder, changed the level 2 with the ladder, then a ladder again, then finally flipped back to level 2. I wasn't nailing anything with the ladder. I said I was gonna do a week with the ladder, but thank God, or I guess thank God, I only I only I only I only used it for half a day. So then we got the level 2 back. With the level 2 and resetting my strategy again to what I was doing here, channeling this whole week, this sort of confidence into the new strategy, into my new framework. I channeled it this whole week, and good. We got what we wanted, right? First day was rough, 34 trades, too many trades. But then now we managed to get a nice set of good days. Good. So next month we'll do that. I think we will be more consistent. We're not gonna do. Honestly, here's the difference. The difference is I am trading in a manner that fits more my personality. That's it. I'm trading in a manner that fits more my personality. And my personality is managing the trades. Managing the trades in, out, get my entry in, scale in, which it's something I want to work on, but scale out if it's not working. And in the future, scale in, add, scale out on the pops, and so on, right? And all around fair value gaps. That's kind of my strategy because I want to manage the move and I want to be part of the big moves that go up. And in order to do so, it's really hard for me to be part of those big moves by just scalping it. It's just not scalping it with like, 5, 4 cents, 6 cents. It's too risky. So I want to be part of the pullbacks, add on them, add on the pullbacks, entry on the pullbacks, scale out, scale in. So biggest winner 240, biggest loser 180. This month was pretty crazy, so we'll take that.
RPGL.
We'll take GITS, 44% accuracy. Not bad. 1 minute good. I like this. A lot of losing trades. Wow. Okay. Let's see this. Win versus loser. So we got. Okay. Average trade. Nice. Okay, biggest winner, biggest loser, biggest winner. Yeah, I mean, I'm freaking going hard when I'm losing, so gotta be careful. Going too hard. Average quantity. Where's my average quantity here? Is it not here? Oh, well, it's not here. Oh. Average quantity? Shoot. Okay. I gotta add it. That's something that went. That's something that slipped my mind here. I didn't add it to the platform. Average quantity. We have average quantity here, right? So it's not here. What the heck? Okay, I'll add it. So good, decent here, 6 cents, 3 cents. Yeah, we gotta get those up, man. We gotta get those up. All right. Date and time. Let's see. So good to see this. Wow. Okay, we improved the first 30 minutes. Don't do too well later in the day. We got that right. First 15. Okay. So we improved the first 30 minutes. Nice. Price points. Yeah, much better on them. 5 to 10. Struggled a little bit. Okay. Drawdown. Yeah, drawdown for like a couple days. We're still in a drawdown. We're still in a drawdown from the 14th. Really? I guess that's right. Yeah. We lost 500. Wait. What's going on here? We draw down. Yeah. Yeah, okay, yeah. So the 14th we closed that drawdown. Then on the 22nd we came all the way down to negative 500. So off the 22nd, yeah, so 500 made back 24, so still down 500. Yeah, down 600 something. So we're still in a drawdown. We're in a slight drawdown since this red day. Interesting. Okay. But nevertheless, we finished the month green. So this is going to be part of the my trading shift, right? So if I look at last year and I put in this whole month, last year we had similar numbers, but now the key is to size up. And I tried to size up so many times, hyper scalping, but it just wasn't for me, man. I found it so difficult. Now this month, I think I'll find it much easier to size up because now I'm in more control of my trading, in my position, in, out, scale in, scale out, so on. Okay, come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, try it for free. So click here, use free analysis tool, select the broker, and this is the view that you will get, right? Select the broker, add your file, toggle between different stocks. Cool. Check out our features. We have lots of cool features here. I've showed you a few, but we got a journaling feature, our charts. Yeah, I mean, I think I showed you everything. You can create different trading accounts. So I have different trading accounts that you can toggle. So you have to separate your swing trading, your every sort of trading you have, right? So swings, options trading, and so on. We have a blog, cool, and join us for $5 a month or 50 a year. Very, very affordable pricing, especially for beginner traders that just need the essentials. The essentials. I'm working on the tag feature, so that's coming up pretty soon. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be a super cool feature. I think I'm going to keep it free, but here the restriction you have is you have 100 trade imports per month. So, and you get to use tags. So if you're kind of trading like I've been trading this month, I think you'll be able to get like a nice week of just no, yeah, maybe 2 weeks. Yeah, look at that. So 1 week here. Yeah, maybe like 2 weeks, like 10 days this week. Yeah, like 2 weeks, honestly. You can get 2 weeks for free on top of the 7-day free trial to just kind of get a sense of Mr. Profit. So you can get like, half a month if you don't trade much. If you don't trade much at all, if you take like 2-3 days a day, I mean, you can get a whole free month. You can get Mr. Profit for free forever. So give it a try. Hit me up on Discord if you need help or you want to say anything. You want to provide some feedback, or add some request some features to Mr. Profit. So hit me up on Discord, and I will see you next month. Bye bye.